everybody, thanks for joining us today in the El Yucateco kitchen. Today we're going to be making a couple of different variations of salad dressings. So we're going to start with our very basic salad dressing, which is ranch with our green habanero. You can do your very own ranch. You can use any type of ranch that you prefer. We have about 3/4 cup of it here in the bowl. And what we're going to be adding there is our green El Yucateco. It's about 9,500 on a Scoville. So it's got a bit of a kick to it. We're going to add about 1/4 of the bottle in here to start out with. And then we're going to stir that. You can adjust this to taste. This is a great way just to change up your everyday basic ranch dressing. It can be used as a dressing, as a dip, put it in the middle of a crudité. We have friends that like using this for their chicken fingers. Lots of different options on this one. Drizzle on your fish tacos, etc. Our next one is a raspberry chipotle vinaigrette. So we've got about 3/4 cup olive oil in here. We're going to add 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of raspberry preserves. We use 2 to 3 tablespoons of chipotle sauce. Again, use it to taste. This is our El Yucateco chipotle sauce. It's got a very sweet heat to it, kind of like a spicy barbecue sauce. It's about 3,500 on the Scoville scale. Now, our sauces are not vinegar based. So since this is a vinaigrette, you're going to actually need to probably use a little bit more hot sauce in there in order to be able to taste it, to get that flavor to come forward. So that because you're fighting basically with the vinegar, just a little bit. So do it to taste. Start out a little bit slow and then build up your heat level depending on what you and your guests are looking for. Comes out to a real nice, creamy, really pretty color. And you can always salt and pepper to taste.